Hello once again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. We're going to continue looking at the 2001 Gauss paper. We're on to question number 14. Hopefully you've had a chance to look at it, and I'm about to look at it now with you guys, so how about we do that? So question 14, in the square shown, so this square over here, this 3x3 grid of numbers, the numbers in each row, column, and diagonal multiply to give the same result. The sum of the two missing numbers is, okay. So it's sort of like a magic square, if you're familiar with that concept. In a magic square, all the rows, columns, and the diagonals add up to the same number. This time, they multiply to the same number. Notice that 12 times 6 times 3 is 216, and 18 times 4 times 3 is also 216. Okay. So, let's just write down our grid right here. 12, oops, 9, we have a 6 there, we have a 1, that would have to be 18, and this one's going to be a 4, and so this is going to be a 3, and then we sort of have x and y, and we want to figure out what x plus y is. Okay? Well, first, what I want to do is I want to figure out what the product of each row, column, and diagonal is. They say it's all the same, so we just pick one row. I don't care which. How about the top row? 12 times 1 times 18, and you can do this on your calculator. I wouldn't expect people to be able to do this in their heads necessarily. But 12 times 18, 216. Okay? So from there, we know we can solve for x and y. Well, we take this column. We know 12 times 9 times x has to be 216. All the columns and rows and diagonals have the same product. So that tells us that x is the same as 216 divided by 12 and divided by 9. Well, 216 divided by 12 divided by 9, we're going to get 2. Okay? If we want y, we could use the 2 here and then this 3 here and figure out that this is 36, so we could use this column right here, and I think that's what I'll do. So to find y, we know 1 times 6 times y has to also be 216. So if we rearrange this and solve for y is 216 divided by 6 divided by 1, and that's 36. And we're asked, well, what's x plus y? Well, that's just 2 plus 36. We just figured out these numbers, 38. So that's what we're looking for. Hopefully 38 is one of the answers. If not, we would go back and review how we were solving the problem and see if we could find an error. But take a look at the possible answers. We see D, 38, so we bubble it, and we move on. So D, 38, and we move on to the next question, which we'll take a look at in the next video. So, as usual, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.